Hello everyone, it's Vian, and today I will show you how to set up an Opofinance trading account. First, log into your client area and go to Create Account. You will find two different sections based on the trading platforms, MetaTrader and cTrader. Click on Feature under each account type to see what it offers. Once you've chosen the correct account, choose between creating a live account or demo account. For a real account, you'll need to specify the trading platform, the leverage range, and the exact leverage desired. Then click the Create button. A window will appear confirming your account details, and simply hit Confirm to create the account. Once done, you'll get an email with all of your trading account details. Then on the next page, you'll get a confirmation that your account has been set up along with all of its features. You can use this info to access your preferred trading platform. Creating a demo account works in the exact same way. And just remember, all of your information will be emailed to you. And please stay tuned for more client area training videos.